how to see every video you've ever watched on Instagram, or probably you want to clean up your watch history. This is the fastest and easiest way to do it. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap your activity. Scroll down and find watch history. This is where Instagram lists all the videos you've ever watched on their app, okay? If you are looking for a specific video, you can either sort by newest to oldest, or from oldest to newest, or you click on all dates, select your time frame, or you can either select by person or page by tapping all authors, type the person's username, or you can scroll through the list they gave you and you will find the video there. To delete your watch history, tap select, select all the videos you want to delete, then hit remove and click remove again. For more handy hacks like this, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you find this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.